Hey guys, just a quick video I wanted to put up because I went to clean my computer monitor screen and I realized, I really don't have anything for this. So I looked it up and here's what I found out. Basically, it's really simple. You just need some distilled water. You can get this pretty cheap at the grocery store. Some vinegar, white vinegar. I would recommend, if you can, try to get something that's like unscented if you can find it. But anything will do. Your favorite microfiber cloth, and reuse an old Spritz bottle. I just peeled the label off of this guy just to get it ready, and thoroughly wash it out or buy a new one at the dollar store. And good old-fashioned Swiffer. So here we have our monitor. Of course, I'm just going to start with a good old-fashioned swifting. And, that's going to get 85% of your monitor screen looking good. Of course, you definitely want to make sure that you unplug the monitor when you're doing this. Very small chance of some electrostatic, but you get the idea. But inevitably, you're going to have a coffee splash or something on there, and yeah, that's annoying. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this Spritz bottle, put it down on your favorite microfiber cloth that you care absolutely nothing about. And I'm just going to kind of do a precursory rub here just to see what, boy, there's a couple of sneezes on here, I think, probably. Yeah, I know, that's gross. Well, it's real life. What can I say? You don't want to push real hard, and if possible, definitely little swirl marks are the way to go. The beauty with this mixture is it dries really fast, evaporates pretty quick. So I probably forgot to mention, so it was 50% distilled water, 50% vinegar. Gonna kind of pinpoint those trouble spots. You probably, this is pretty rough. You probably won't have to do anywhere near this level of piping. But I've literally never cleaned this monitor since it was gifted to me, so figured it's about time I'm upgrading. And so I throw this up on the marketplace. Nope, don't do that. And I'm so tempted to just spray the screen, but it's better to hit the cloth first. Well, I think we're gonna let that dry quick. Turn the old fan on here, that'll help it. Alright, then I'm gonna come back over this quick with the old Swiffer, and you can see it looks 98% better. Clearly should have done this a lot sooner, but that's the ins and outs of cleaning a computer monitor screen. It kind of works with televisions or pretty much any screen, honestly. And the vinegar, I guess it has a little bit of a less harshness than some of the other more like chemical stuff, but still helps to get things clean. So just thought I'd throw that up there. Have a great day. Alright, so that was my video. Screen's looking really good now. I got a couple other ones I'm going to clean too. Like I said, this works good for televisions, pretty much any screen. And you know, this was a great idea. Just grab an old bottle somewhere, you know, mix this up, you know, 1-to-1, you know, 50-50. And always the Swiffer, man. I love Swiffers. They're just great for getting rid of dust. And any junky old microfiber cloth you can find is also good. They actually make like screen microfiber cloths that are probably even better for this. But I'm super stoked with how that come out, and I'm going to go clean some other screens. Have a great day.